FC214 says any design book recommendations. Depends on what you're looking for. You're looking for something, you know, more for inspo or like learning design. Whoa. Okay. Then I should be able to duplicate that. Maybe make this like gray. No, that's horrible. I think we need to change the color of the black coin on this. I'm just gonna try something just to see if it looks any better. Wait, that didn't do anything. What? Why is it doing that? Not what I was expecting, but actually, can I select similar objects? It could be both. All the books I have don't really show process. It's fun to try to figure out different techniques, but sometimes I wish they could just tell me, LOL, like the David Carson or Neville Brody stuff. So like you're looking for a book on like technique. What books do I have? I think all of my books are like kind of, let me see here. I think really like the best book I could recommend on technique would probably be the let me see. Probably be like this one. I feel like everybody knows about that one though. I mean, all of the kind of techniques as far as like layouts and stuff like that, like you pretty much find like within that book. Like all the grid system stuff. I wonder if instead of text here, just drop an image in the background. I wonder how that works. So let's do this. Yeah, if you're looking for like more techniques, like stuff like Photoshop, like Illustrator techniques, I don't think there's a good book like specifically for that. You'd be better off just like looking into YouTube.